Alright, I'm Jaco Beach. La Catarata Natural de Agua Viva. They had two names to this place, but see different owners. But anyway, Bijagual is one of them, and this is the one I know of. Uphill, it's a workout. It's 45 minutes to an hour downhill, hour and a half to 2 hours uphill. So keep that in mind. These waterfalls are nice, it's right there and there. We're not North America, well, some of the waterfalls, you have parking and roads nearby. Over here, you're gonna have to hike, 30 minutes to an hour just to get to a waterfall. Watch your step. You don't want to fall down these rocks. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, we're almost there, guys. Oh, Amada Semija, you missed out. I'm gonna take a break here. I'm gonna cut this real quick. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Oh, see this roof right here? Oh, hell yeah. Oh my God. Oh, pura vida. Awesome. Okay, let's go back up. Oh, the water is so refreshing. Oh my God, water. Oh, refreshing. Not freezing, refreshing. Oh, these are the natural springs. The water is extremely refreshing. Taking to a pool. Oh, enjoy it. Yeah, as far as I'm getting there. Oh, this is great.